Hello, Cancer. This is your weekly love reading from 23rd to 29th of August 2021. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. If you have in your birth chart in Cancer, then this is the reading for you. Please keep in mind that energy can go vice versa or interchangeable. Okay. So take it however it resonates with you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe my channel, King of Cups Tarot. Also, if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Let's start your reading. Seven of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, Justice card, Knight of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, Strength card, bottom of the deck. First of all, I will tell you about the signs present here. Here we have Leo, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Libra specifically, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. There is only fire sign is there is Leo, and air sign all there, water sign also there, and this anyway earth sign are already present here. So let's see what is the overall energy. Overall energy is strength. So I can see there is a battle of ego between you two. I can see that. So somebody did wrong to you, maybe your partner, most probably your partner. Basically your partner did wrong to you and they are not accepting their fault. Okay, so they are still want to be sneaky, and you actually got it well before even they could not get the time or get the opportunity to explain it to you, and now they are just sneaking out. Okay, so right now you are in your ego right now, and I can see that this is a positive ego from your side, basically, not in a negative way, but the negative side of ego is from your partner, basically, I can see. So you know your strength, you know your weaknesses, everything. You are using it for your good, basically. Okay, in this relationship now. And here we have the Magician card. Basically, you were manifesting a good person in your life, you were manifesting a great relationship in your life, actually, and right now this manifestation is coming true. Okay, so universe is working on that actually, and you have if you have any doubt about that, you cannot get that, just remove that doubt from your mind, basically, because universe is saying that everything what needed is already been there already. Okay, and you have to just explore it. Okay, here we have the Hierophant energy just below this, and Hierophant energy is saying here that somebody is coming with an offer of marriage, commitment, etc. Maybe your past person or this person you are in relationship with, they will be eventually come with the offer after they will be defeated by your perseverance, and so basically I can see that you are getting one offer of marriage from this person. Maybe this person was in a dilemma right before giving you offering you a relationship. So they were very blindfolded before, but now they will be deciding you to give you a marriage commitment. Okay, let me see. First card is here is Seven of Swords. So that I already told you that your partner had did something very sneaky kind of thing. Maybe they have been deceptive about something, maybe they lied to you about something. So they have hide it very well before, but now it's already open, and you know that what is the truth besides that, and they are just sneaking out right now. So you know that this person was having bad intention about it, and now there is a fight between you two, and now you had something like you just maybe broke up with them, or maybe there is a no contact situation right now. So you decided not to focus it on this relationship right now, and just to focus it on your um, other parts of life, like other perspectives, like your work situation, your family situation, other things which is actually needed your focus. Okay, so you are just focusing on your work right now, and you are focusing on perfecting yourself, I can see that. Okay, so 8 of Pentacles represent this. Okay, now we have Justice card. So Justice card represent here what I already told you, that this person tried to sneak out, and you will be like, okay, if you don't say me the truth, I will cut it off. Okay, so justice is like that only. So this person will get their karma back basically, and I think you will actually cut off this person from your life, and you will be tell them that it will not work it like work work it anymore now, and you don't want to be with this person with this sneaky point of view. Okay, so you will tell them clearly, so they will come and eventually come with an apology and an offer also. So this person will come with an apology. Maybe you will be you are dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, maybe typically Scorpio. So this person will come towards you, and they will tell you that this person will apologize to you, that what they did is wrong, and then all they will be presenting you a gift also, I think some love letter or maybe some poetry they will tell you about. So this person will have something to offer you, maybe a romantic offer, maybe date or something they will offer you, and I think you will be accepting their apology, and I can see that this week you will be growing well, and after that, before before that actually your relationship was not that good, and now I think your relationship will be built in a strong foundation, on a strong foundation basically, and you are you will be very patient that this relationship will grow, and it will be a very good it will be at very good place at some point of time in future. So let's see what is the outcome for you this week. Please give me outcome for this week. Devil. Oh, I will just once again, because it's repeated card, so I'll just so outcome card is 5 of Wands. So there will be still a squirrel between you two, and I can see that still you will be hopeful that at some point of time this will work out. But right now I think there will be a argument between you two in this week. In this week I can see that so many people are already involved in this situation, and that's why you are not getting anywhere basically, and you are not getting any peaceful resolution in this situation right now. Okay, so for this week this is the outcome. Now we'll pull out one Queen of Moon Oracle card for you. Discernment and nourishment. So universe message is there, like you should be very means you should be keep focusing on your own health and eat well. Very healthy food you should eat, not like fried and all. You just take very healthy food and nourish yourself, then your because sound mind is living in a sound body. Okay, so this is the universe message for you. And discernment is here, so you don't see clearly that this relationship will work out in this week. There is a universal message here that it will eventually work out, but right now you don't see the bigger picture. Okay, universe is saying that be patient, this will be cleared it out. Okay, so this was your reading, Cancer. Please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Thank you for watching.